you remove the 3 bolts. This one, 2, and the third one is this way there. Okay, so we're going to remove this this piece right here. We're gonna disconnect this sensor. We're gonna remove these bolts here. So we're gonna remove this part too, or maybe not. We're gonna take this sensor here. We're gonna try to fix it. Okay, so we disconnect already the strut. So this one. Here. Okay. This one. Okay, so remove the swivel link. We also want to remove this one. It's number 10 millimeter. So these two, this one here, and the 3 bolts on the top. And one more thing, guys, we have to remove this number 10 and prevent to not damage this one. So number 10, remove this ball right here. Okay, so remove this one too. Okay, so to remove this one, you need the hammer. Remove the bolt. Okay, as you can see now, we remove this, and now we have this one loose. Remove this one. And now we're going to remove the last bolt on the top. Okay, so I remove the bolt. So now, take the shot. And we're going to replace this one for a new one.